atiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ medam ase sɛ mo saa ɛtwɛn yɛn ɛwɔ adamfo pa people atwa wo hwɛn live ɛwɔ Facebook interview no ɛna yɛde bɛhyehyɛ so yi ɛnɛ me set yi so manya afɛfɛfoɔ pa ɛwɔ set yi so enti wo hwɛn nyamera ba yɛn na hwɛ yɛn. Hello, good evening mommy. People atwa na mo pom to say okay people atwa we there Reverend, me no ebia minimu, ebia na obi nimu, obi share your life ewo Facebook. That's what nimu a. People actually always may introduce yourself kakra bi amayan.
But your friend, Reverend Prophetess Ifia Ejay Mensah. Me a founder of Royal Diadems International. Honestly, me media consultant by profession. We started. I worked with Peace FM, Vibe FM. TV3, and then I had to move out and establish my own agency. That was in the year 2000, which was called Maxi Time Advertising Agency. But then somewhere along the line, I had the call of the Lord. So then I had to move into business a bit, because then the Lord spoke to me that I'm not going to do full-time ministry. I had to work, help the needy, and also evangelize. So what I do now is that I'm an entrepreneur. I do my business. I sell musical instruments in Ghana, everything for ministry, and then I do my mission work. That is moving out of countries to minister the gospel of God. And then I've been able to establish a non-denominational prayer ministry for women. That is what I said earlier on, which is called Royal Diadems International. Association International.
Good. We know that Royal
Diadems.
Diadems. Now, we want to know what is idea of Royal Diadems?
Royal Diadems is an association, like I said, for women. It doesn't matter where you belong and the religion in which you are. Once you are a woman, you can join. And we took the name from Isaiah 62 verse 3, which says, I will make you, you are in the hand of the Lord as a creator, and I will make you a royal diadems. It's like I will crown you with glory. So the diadem is like a glory, it's like a crown, but glorified.
Who are you at that Royal?
Me na me a founder.
You are the founder.
Me na me a founder. That's it.
Paris
the ministry itself, the me na me the buy.
One I would buy. Okay, me say you who the history of everything. So it's from Ghana.
It's from Ghana.
Okay.
And then I'm trying to establish branches all over the world.
And now you are in Paris.
Paris in France.
Okay.
Yes.
It will be also in Paris. Your name Reverend Wahasiya. Also date the program no Abba Ahasi so now and on one time Ben now we knew that foundation about this.
Foundation I think in 2011.
Oh, that good.
When the Lord spoke to him, then I had a call of God. I think the Lord spoke to me really about my calling when I was at the sixth form.
Oh, okay.
That was in 1996. But then after school, in 2000, I realized it was too much.
Okay.
I couldn't comprehend it, so I had to avail myself. But then the Lord spoke to me that He's not called me to do full-time ministry. So with time, as I prayed, He gave me the women's ministry.
The women's ministry. Is it all about women?
Yeah, I think it's about women.
Okay.
It's about women. Then I was going through some challenges in marriage. So then the Lord said, use what you have been through to educate women. But then it must not be ordinary. You must inculcate your background, your religious background into them. So then it's about experiences, it's about woman-to-woman relationship, it's about coming together to bend our knees in prayer, pray for ourselves, our husbands, our families, and the nation in which we are.
Cool, good. So do you have a place that you guys meet? Everybody can come there and meet?
Yes, in Accra. I think we meet at Accra International Conference Center once in a while.
Yeah, okay. As for Ghana, we know you've already established it there. I'm talking about here in Paris. Right now you are bringing it here. Yeah. Do you have a place of worship?
I think now we use I'm being hosted by Patmos Believers Ministry.
Oh, okay.
So now they are hosting Royal Diadems, and we meet at La Bridge. room 37.
La Bridge.
Yes,
Okay.
room 37.
That's where they can
find Royal Diadems every Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, that's good. And see, obi biara will share me patcho wa join you live Facebook a reverend and the wahasi a ye twetwe nkomo Royal Diadems International, right? Omaba Paris. And see program be ever so. Aha, ye beko program no so. Na asanya beko program no so me hu say yes sister so yes sister betimi ama ye hu position Royal Diadems mo ama ye hu na. We are there also.
I'm the president. I'm a president for Paris branch.
Paris branch. As president, one of we betimi ama ye hu dwumadie property a we.
As president, I see to the day-to-day affairs.
Okay.
You know, I make sure the programs are well organized. I make sure that we'll be all positioned in the foundation or obeying the Juma as she's supposed to do.
Okay, that's good. Now, me say yes program be basos enche. Now, me patcho mo betimi ama ye hu program never betimi aka bibi something about the program that is coming on very soon. What is it about?
No, it's about the launching of the ministry.
Good.
That was that is on that day on the 6th on the 7th. On the 6th is Friday. That is when
that's 6th of
next week Friday, 6th of September.
Okay.
Is when we'll all meet together. I mean, the few members we have organized, our executives, our board members, everything we have done so far, we'll unveil it. Then on the 7th, we'll do an official launching here. And then on the 8th, we'll pray to God.
Wow. So will it be just
3 days? It's a 3-day program.
Yeah. Okay. And is it free?
Yeah, it's for free. Everybody is invited. Once you're a woman, even the men should come and support us.
Yeah.
They should all come and support us so that it will be fun. And then we'll pray. We'll all do it to the glory of the Lord.
And it will be at La Bridge.
Room 23.
Oh, cool.
This one is being done at room 23, but every Saturday and Sunday you get us at room 37. Still at La Bridge.
Oh, yes. Okay. So is it something about if, like for example, I have a personal issue, can I contact you?
Yes, you can have a counselor. Yes, because I've completed my 2nd degree in theology and I did counseling and psychology as part of my course. So I do counseling. I think that is my major area of operation, apart from the prophetic.
Since you were in Ghana, are you now based in Paris?
No, I'm here for a visit. In fact, I'm staying long because of
the program.
This program.
Oh, okay. So after the program, and when someone really needs you, will it still establish here? Or?
Yes, it's been established. Once you need me, that's why we have our representative, our president here. Whatever you need, you can still fall on him. I move around so much. So then what will happen is that when she takes your information, when I'm back, because I'll go back to Ghana and still return. I'm not going forever. I'm not opening for her and leave. I'll just go and come back.
You'll be going
going and coming.
Oh, that's good. And can you tell us a history about your international, about the history, something how it brought up, and so that we get knowledge about.
That's what I'm saying. It's marriage based because of my personal experiences I had some years back that led me into the establishment of the organization. So then our core members is single mothers.
Single mothers.
Yes, we see to single mothers. You know, we have an NGO aspect of the ministry where we take care of mothers, single mothers. I mean mothers, those who are widowed, those who are separated, those who are single, and they are taking care of their children and they have problems.
Also, you help financially.
Yes, we help fund them.
Good.
We have fund them, and so when I come around on my missions, what I make, I take it to them to help. I take it to them, I move it into the foundation.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, and the president also, if I may ask, as a president here, are you trying to do something for the women also here when mommy is not around? Here in Paris, do you have any plans for, as mommy said, the widows, those who don't have you know a lot of Ghanaian women here don't know a lot about maybe the social aspect or something. Does this your organization also help something? Does they help also about them?
Before getting into this was something that the Lord have really set on my heart. I really want to help people. I want to put people together. No, you know, in Europe, it's not easy.
Exactly, that's
it's not easy. We have a lot of women who have problems, a lot of women who really need help, but they don't know where to go or who to contact or who to talk to. So I'm open, I'm there. So if anyone needs has a problem, anyone needs a shoulder to cry on, anyone needs a help, I'm always there to help.
Good.
The best I can do, yeah.
And then about the program also, it would be like a program of drinking or something.
No, the drink up, we just used it.
We've seen it on the sticker that it's a drink up 2019.
2019, all women
so
affair. No, it's a coming together.
Coming together.
It's a coming together and the launching of the ministry, and it wouldn't be that alone. You know, obviously there will be an item 13 after everything. We'll still do a drink up. Not in alcohol. We don't entertain that. In fact, we have established this to speak or to fight all those menace in our society. So then there's nothing like alcohol, there's nothing like smoking. It's Christian based.
It's Christian based. People show say share your life. Ewo Adamfo Pam. A program Royal Dynamics so mu be share ewo la bridge enti program no e want to year and I any reverend and president of Royal Dynamics so you know omo twetwe enkomo enti pato wo be joining here na wo question and na wo bibia wo pese wo busa wo de comment ni ba ye be read ama fefefe na ye busa wo mo enso ama e pato number anase bibia ebe modi betu drama anaso bi hia no na opese won frɛ mo no ohu a anything na yet metimi de atudwa ama omebu se ne be ya ye be
06 58 90 5605 06
number no. Okay, that's the same number.
Her number.
Okay. Maybe I make a show say what be joining a comfort also. Thanks for joining. I any reverend and what I say. Say what per se what Royal Dynamics program now. Offer 06 58 90 5605. Or Sabeka woman na question be and say directions I will per se Winshiano over her or Sabeka Pam. None of president who advice be a wait me a country youth. More has say a more pray about because of when you know say there are a lot of things I work room has a stress and I say baby anything I'll be catch on my bed encourage you more I'm wait me about program here and
for Emba start with Emba the whole promo you have to know that we all have something in us. Then I will be always know a bit to me a show but my Emma will be and Cayenne share and shyness and kindness or say anything you have in you know whether good or bad let it show it will who pioneer PR then you put aside the honest so now it's me upright so never hide anything you have within you.
Thank you, Sister Fosia. Mama, the patrol be before her. I said, "Obet me encourage and ma as to a ma or more come has say." Also, has stress in here. Any idea about it or makes me handle because for the upcoming program now, more so that you will get a little confidence about it to be there also.
Free. Yeah, be and some to every woman. And from age, Royal Dynamics has, I think, a 73 or 4 year-old woman in Ghana.
Wow! We
take right from the youth to the old. In found where you belong, what you have been through, where you are, just come. I believe the comfort is with the Lord. And apart from that, and also. Me person baby abe ferry me oba dey be ameka say ya asofo man no cry tin something asofo man man because obi aba won nchen o feel that warmth no around you as a woman it your kana sem chewa onsuo nim say okakra wa no koka nchu two so obi nte apart from say so no onim say wo ye maame wo ye mother bibi to no kra obetimi aboa no enti me encourage each and everyone say we your bank na or Paris na we interview abra e free ye bibia ye free ye ni sika obebia aduane obibia ye free enti etem bia ye try say ye benya sponsors on be boa yen say na be ya obi a wo beto no enti patcho emfa wo de wa warisem whatever it is come to us. We are very willing. I think that, like you said, no problems waha.
Exactly.
Stress waha. Yeah, is the I am in no see around. For marital issues and problems. I think the best way and the best place is with the Lord, and we stand for that. And everybody is encouraged to come on the 6th, on the 7th, on the 8th. We are not going to do this one. We are adding a lot. That is one thing about Royal Diadems. As some two are, we a member you could jaw. Every a year, when you be sorry, or go on no ma. Your friend is saying, oh problem, oh yeah, and say, na me Ukraine, and why they be see me. Royal Diadems are ready. Once we are a member of the association, as some two a tuba, a two a busia, yeah, ready. Yet 3 and some.
So you should be a member.
You should be a member so that we will know that you are part of us. Tembiano your membership card, membership forms are over now I part Tembia will say making sure say you are in touch with us. Assembly too, say be a personal, say a private, a public, whatever it is, we are ready. Yes, some Juma crowd problems be maybe I will seek assembly. We have accountants, omutimi, yeah, business forums and seminars. Yes,
then it's
a church, but it's a big,
then people don't know it's here, so it's very good that we are taking this platform to inform a lot of people in Paris, so that they will get to know about it. Because as you said, I thought it was a church, but it's not.
No,
a
it's not a church. It's an organization. Your business or your friends plans. They advise you as to how to go about your business as a woman, because man auto shoe back, auto way back, we need a capital na we did na church. Your business people with us once in a while we organize business seminars and they advise us as to how to handle our financial issues and problems. And then apart from that, like I said, no counseling is also open. It's also open. So 24/7. It doesn't. I'm a woman. I'm very married, but my hands are open. Our hands are open.
Okay, because we have our president also here for the whole party.
Yeah, that's
okay. Doris, I'm not sure so are joining us. So we're showing you Adam Fopa, your Royal Dynamics, and what has say, a Reverend Efua AJ Mensa, and your name discuss no, and your ma, Moye Ewo, obey your member, and more projects be actually when you are a member, and as a Muakasa as a whole, Moye for. More in an organization.
Yes, we have our projects. You see a secretariat.
Wow.
I wish we could even project it on the screen
of course,
for everybody to see. We have our secretariat, which is coming out soon.
Wow.
Yes, we share from shops. We sell instruments, and every money we make is into the ministry because we make sure that everything is for free. So that nobody is stressed up. You are stressed already coming to Royal Diadems. So you come in and you receive some comfort. And then we have our conference area for our major conferences, because we will say renting halls too much,
and it's
a very too much. So then once we have our own place, we don't rent anything again, and then we have this upstairs which is a restroom for our programs, and then for free. And we are trying to extend it to the outside public, so that like in Europe, France, obu opese okofie oyoba oni na busuan baby omo beda wa Accra obu okosifi kotoka ebi okokumase and okọ baby amimifie mem die oni baby obeda anajo no bo friend na ya member na say once obema ya we so me ko Ghana wonye du nkwa na friend ba befa wo aha obeda ha free wo da wi akwa wo sa betwem akwa oni wa busuan masa aba free for free. Wow. For free. Everything is for free. This is the project now we're trying to come up with in Ghana to help everybody. This project is for everybody. It's for everybody.
Yeah. So if you are only a member
of Royal Diadems, but then we are also trying to with the project we are involving men. So also okay, only you is well.
Yeah.
Only you not.
But you say in the project you are involving men.
I'm involving men because, like I said, you are not near. Maybe our person could. This place is very free.
Oh, okay. So
then the registration for the restrooms will be separate from that of the association.
Oh, okay.
And we cannot do that. Now we are quite connected to some of our ladies who are single also. Because we do your friends your friends counseling for marriage counseling as well.
Oh, okay. Now, okay. And remember, president also. So, president, I say yes. So, you want Paris? You're busy with her. Most more projects before Paris people, and I say I feel na year launching it like.
I feel na year launching. So we have a lot of projects, but that will come later because I feel na year launching. But for now, no dear, you be children say we will learn a lot because you will be or you makeup, so be up my dear or
oh wow,
no,
in Paris. Oh okay.
You know what we know, we teach those who does not know. See, church for your own idea. You see, I'm free.
That's good. A very good plan. My first time I'm meeting BBC because I've never heard about it, and I am very encouraging. So now when you are in organization, I'm sure used to be and I said that those things goes on because I know so most organizations they have every monthly dues they used to pay and everything.
For Ghana, once it's established, I think we pay little as monthly dues. But for now, for here, it's for free. It's very for free. Just that ours is to make sure that we like I do. Exactly. I move around the churches, minister, solicit for small funds to help us. But for now, it's for free.
For now,
it's for free.
And
it is every person obey, who person obey, who say be a ministry not to wakuma so.
Very lovely.
Yeah, who person can make wala.
Na French so na be.
I'm kaka na mate. It is be a na person. Maybe a boy who was supposed to be like I said. Yeah. Me pass what me use clothes. Use clothing, use things. Maybe I will fear. Well, and also have any space. So go and add that the fridge that they become a person touching and touching. They say royal items are bad. Nina ya bwabu anu ya ni kwa almost more Ghana and the other regions, no, in Africa, no. It's, you know, we do those things as well, and also will come up. We have it as a program.
And maybe some people say that Ghana. So if say munya bibi, I say be orphanage, and I bibi.
Yeah, and America, we do that. We do, and it's unfortunate. I didn't bring pictures. We could have projected it for everybody to see. We give out to orphans as well. Into maybe I started your box. I started judging your man. Into me per se, me use this opportunity. I can start to our listeners. So we will be now on pair. What you can't cry, baby. Maybe how to be my BS women. No, our hands are open. Then you are so much welcomed.
Yeah, that must you were Adam Fupana Moshe, Royal Diadems, on more Paris, Yebe Lanche on the 6th, on the 8th, and on the 6th, 7th, and the 8th. A Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and you may be at 6 to 8. It's Nipane Bar, on in a Busia, and a win nabit. Abba na ayefefe anti patrol bibi a wo share your president wa ha and you will see like the founder of it. And I think say Musa do obi so by
no say chairman the America say can you be friend now on board chairman bibia ne nansu ni sa ono kwa na de me ba ha.
Oh wow, when you betimi na chairman ne na kasa na ka ono so aye na atana chairman e beba no ye bebo nyum kakra na eja ya ye yi tun atiefo mu so amo hye yen e wo Adamfopa TV eso mo hye yen live e wo Facebook ye gusu ani Royal Diadems e na e fo na wo ha se aye no mo twetwe enkomo ye na chairman so e wa board chairman e wa anti ye betoto board chairman me pa cho we de akwaba
yeah
we ba cho na ba ma ya gbo udin no na ya hu
yo do me dance eti force nyina enesu umanya so ne akomakwa no mutie ye da obi biara ase pacho ye frame Prince Sakodi
wow
menso me da asafefe ne party mo so
oh okay
yes it no da kakra ni nyina ye wo peri he ya
oh we dey who ha say
oh me wa ya
na
tikuru da
oh okay it's me pacho mo na mo so Royal Diadems say international for say e wa ha say
pacho first of all no fancy yenim ye suffer me prophetess you be a very good, very humble woman, very advisable, very good in all areas. You know what they we buy and who say because me funny say any ukra no yeni fifi kronkro bibiri so ne ukoko bibiri kromu a ye wasantifoku ye won kranfoku ye wo ibifukru ye wo srimfukru bibiri apart from enokra na ye wo tasifoku ye wo ikoko bibiri. So if you look at all those associations now you will say this one is different. And yes ye jina wa two kromu a because association boama eze be ma bia metie eze be ma bia kra wo yire tiko tem se adwa yire ho ne kobi because the association they pray because we have prophetess and also for ba otu no esi wa awie brem nyame di ni ye adwuma na oboama na mo bompaye se situation bi kra na nyame bie na ni nu hu o ka kire ye nya ho fasting e hu ne ka kra nya de a woda ana onidi so wow kwa ne akonje ne kwa na aduane a wodi ne mienu eti na very good is ye be so ne mu na e ma e ba yeti menya ma eto mo esi nu mo so na obi an ka se me de mini problem obi an ni ba bia problem be ba
stress wa ha ne
emre bi na mitie afutuo bi wo the immediate past Pentecost chairman o si dan bi ana ode disabled for ekwan be ode wheelchair be fefem ni ade ba e na amanfo kasa o sesika but o si wie no ana ono yare ye se o ti wheelchair wow what has here enti senka wanya nko no kwan be no be fa so akoda ni o si so na nyini tiri sa ni nyina ye nyame kwan amkwan ni bia ha enti no obi ntina senka ze me de mfa me ho ade a oba se o yire ofie na oye oba oye prayerful oti advice no kan say wo be ma no hoto exactly we very free we relax stress bi enu iti no ye dwe won we say ya de pa say encourage na e ma mo kure mo susum na if you need problem kra wo bi problem e mata de e chemie bia na me mpa me de ko Africa obi e na de mo no see Africa na enya na etofo si
oh exactly
ebroni no sheda
wa sheda
very good enti no kakra de boa because yesu akra na roman for be cheche ade eti so we nkurase na enti no ye wu say ya de pe ba kru me be boa ti ye keke ti bom na ye say ye boa ye support na nze se do sika stress no kru mo na enye man ko mema ni nyina o stress ba ye fortune say ye nsheda mbe ti tete ho
ka mi be busa
ye tete ho ye ni tete ho ba ho kan ye betie bi ni esu fa bi atu ikoto
because
man no so bom betu ye fo meka bi a kire enti no ngiri say enu ti na ma ye de ye ho ahyimu ye say ye boa na koso
ubo a so be ka se mu say ye ma program na makofa be ma as board chairman amayaye iti
no so a question mo but the idea me ye piama me meje ye any say Adeɛ bia no so si ana ekoye manko ana duro be ya na ze direction no ya na ya ikakra enti no ye nso ya bam ne ye boa na ye sei boa no mu to bi kra ka se bia kire ne ze bia ye pesi yesu enti no yesu ye mewura mu omu day to day affairs ne enum na be ye bibia omu do mu ye wie bia ye pesi program bi edase na ebe nse ntomu wie ho planning nyina ebia ebenya sal no for example ebe cost bia be 200 euros aduane ebe ye say because ye pese omo the stress no kwa koto omo ba na so because the stress is free fie also omra for comfort na fe oba ya o say ahun na fe o say enti no omo dwene ho wie na yes ye tie chiri no kakra yesu yo hu say okay we na munyi we mfiri mu fa we nka ho nyi ni sei ni nyina ye sei nti okay ye na ye beboa na ye so ye boa na ye pia ma na se de be ya o mani beje no ma yiro mo because ye ni nyina mi mu se ye nyentum
ende
ye nshira na wo because o se nipa bebre hwehwe Jesus na nko ma talk interfere no enzu nhia no be se wo to ma wunua obi a woni bie ukọ ede na o ka children's home ye de nema kọ omumpa ebo no na ma ye survive bibia nka ho bi bia ye bra ye hwe ase ko be nyina o so bradwum fa bi kan enti no eye papa ye ne kakra no ana jise nyame o dishira ye enti no obi biara obeba no anaze oba na support a jise o mre ntumi nyame be shira o
mebusa found and I said be me bi su ti fie no no so pese ti say ne ya fa ha no so pese oba ono so you allowed to come.
Oh, you're very much allowed. Me call the apart from royal diadems, me a sofo, me a general sofo.
It's also so beti me aba.
Person who me call personally, no problem. Me the me number to say na your friend say your president deputy number to that. With your friend call there, you are very much welcome. Me there my arms are open. Royal diadem is just an aspect of my ministry. I am called to everybody.
Wow, that's very good. Na chama we there. Mesa ba so na was dia pan sen e wo royal da be dem pa pot na we. So wa bu boss ne member mo support but
me dey ye ka menye royal diadem chairman me ye board. O say ye wa chairman ye board chairman. Association no ye no president even so na ye chairman. What an assistant, the secretary, the treasurer, umuna e hwa ade ne so. Yeah, no, yes, we are board chairman, be no raise, na munyi ni say, na uko control ma, no. That's not the aspect of me, and I'm advised, say, we are board for your control. Oh, man, I you, my dear.
Oh, okay.
They are down, Phyllis, or Munia, no, Muya, be only but two anymore. Then we give advice.
Okay.
And about the BC Obubaye program, you know, you know, Bobom Paya boom. Omba Freya, you know, Beshia. Labrish, you bomb fire more boom all night to dear you and moving on a bay. Yes, you better basse or move to 2 sika sell more your program there and come. But a basse be a more bompire, moon, heavy binum catch area. We come in almost day to day affairs in the woman ever you money. But yeah, me mana, ye woman day, ye support too. Omo ye and chain, and ye support to me heavy no ye. Normally be 2 anuma then we come in and what na ye be support to bia omudi say ya wadwade bi ho say bia ye kra pese ye toka na rather that kra ye de koma Africa na say issue ha na time so a ye dia sesa ye members aba fine e bi won ba be ka kire okay fine umba e bia ye pese ye toka e ka na ye 10,000 yes you see ka ye 5,000 e je de betu manim. Yes, you heard me always say at the pan, ever so swat, near bois. Yes, board for yes, she can't jump on home. Near PBS or swat home. Say, Nadia Moaso, and yes, advice you on. Near culture in your mamma, Mosavia, and the woman you said, you be ya, Yinano, young better. Aha, ain't you know. Association, dear, but as I association, you own Yamin. Yeah, pie bono cran, a woman, and a hand, pie bonny, a foot 2 whom said, nipa bebre ukro mu ya adwuma be 20 years in so de tia na tie gospel turu ko kan bi mu say ense de kro u share bi adi bi say hey enye easy oh eye ne makakra kakra bia na ya tro ma na bitie na bi mu o zo mu hie futu kakra bi dia ya de
asa mami na anje with and pie body and food ni
yeah eye pack aha eye pack into no bar ye bomba ye due fufu ebia ahakra etiro ebia peso ye bibi but on the pani bi kan se bi se nipa u ko kan asem a kire na mana tufu no ezo wu de oye ansa na aka asem ye nkan dem kire obi akeke but what ma say aha edina nipa na u kan asem a kire no nim se nipa no betima ye bibi di na wo kan se uhia obi wadamfo bi ana ne ye adwuma na se wa wunim se ono oba adwuma kura a owi atire ticket to kura ide dey na uhia bia be 200 de akofia kohwe o ma me na go ka je ne se ya ko pe ma mbusie 200 ngo na wo susu nim se owi atire onya bi ma o be to ba ko kan asem no so san a kire obi se o ho kire
na kai
o mo nipa de no but me ko kama sa na ka chacha wo manager because manager me ba fi once wa ye ne fe studio me fa ye tim enti ono ho na me ba be kan share no because anya ya ni say na se sekura wa na bro be 10,000 15,000 enti o de switch no be nya bia wa enti no ye kan asam kire ni pa o ye cancel o bitima boa wo aha because obi wo kra na o wiska bia committee media to dan bi dia man rent lo aye ni ade ade okure mu o better ha de 10 15 no de to take it baba wa za shom enzu go nya advice ka kra bi di boya oh an committee me aboa no aha ana say onye obi atache na ha bi wa ezu sika no so anti say bet we are good now why is not catch ni papa po timi ebu obi o wisika kakra tacho na no we touch o de kanta aboa o betima akoto na o do so de ya ibe enti no skani bia start de kakra no de ekosoro aha enti no gidi se rather za fe na aba bet as time goes on we say nipa beti ase mo nipa beti ase on timi peri beji atum na ayinhira
oh ya no ma ji atum ya ji atum da le busa found apart from Igbo papa mi san kwana ma ewa ha na
so far I'm say start say ankasa wo Italy
oh what it's a bit so Italy
ebi wo Italy by launching officially and I be so Turkey be so UK
wow oh and it's a big
oh yeah it is
the Paris dia no na ye launch ye invite obi bia say omra no me member aha say you be omuba
ebi so also store na no board directors they close here okay they close here gate no ebi afoso ekwe me fosi manager ho me pese bi ye bibi you are still welcome
na obi wo ho so a ebi a ne sofo we ye reverend obi a me ko asori wo baby na maka se me bebe bi a me sofo na wa say wo ko asori wo baby a na do ye wo me say ya o say adwini bi a na wo be ka che nipa say oh enye chinchira se bia wo ba na che se wo be ye ase wo be member enye asori ase bia wo be ba so wo ko wa asori ko a wo betimi ayede aba se de be ya engo bi se na me wo be ka se me pentecost me ba na che se me ba ye we ya na e no so different
enti na e bi kan say say you try say even men of God ne cry no e did that asori na no we meet them and speak to them so that at least they will be very they will be conscientized about the program and I said the association because problem na if you men of God if you members no pastor might think say who call Royal Diadem you want to go and be a member but the pastor you are aware of Royal Diadems and the members say when program you cry the letters cry come churches no so I'm going release on women's wing you know I'm emekuo no na omumra it I believe says I member now so emekuo leader cry come one uba wonye worried and pastor so him say nya sorry Into also member, but also you're offended. Like that, yes, I get clear our mind.
To be a better amount for
we are doing a lot of underground works. So the eco-critique issues and problems because the royal diadems is must come out of the mainstream church. There is no way. I think say man kwa sorry na ada kakra bi. E man na chichira sorry. Say na man chichira kro, say na man chichira sorry. And you can't take the members from outside. They must come from the churches.
Okay.
We are also doing that as well.
Okay. It's a choir association they invite to be.
Obia, Hindu, we are Muslim. Once and that's only mobi, no problem be. And let's say yeah, baby, Muslims be by counseling.
Wow.
As I say, no can on chair. Sir. They are Muslims, but they came to me to pray for them.
Now, what about young youth also?
Youth also. Yes, they are part of it. We have the youth aspect of it, and then another thing I'm person make clear is found what you are into. We don't look at dressing. We don't look at what's association. But this oboduku and so on. No. Royal items in tisa. Who there's officer wataya wonina. Eyetia. Emani how. Uba no kakra na ye di nkomo ebi kwa na obi kwa mami bi so wo royal diadem cinema oba willing so ebi a woni sika ba be change clothes and we are very willing to do all that. It's ye dressing, ye attitude, ye would say ye tibia mi kwa no na me no answer na me be friend na me hard pa say I me need hard girls no hard I don't have a pen hard pa no ba wo dey catch me say oh mommy problem ni e da na me ka say me chomo me esre girl bi ba me o Ghana ye branch no I remember that no me o na mommy pesa me back house lab say bra ma me o ba ya so ni Makoto sugar daddy be pa na person bomb pa your mommy pa not talk mami. And I'm say oh, say me say me encourage you now can some no then without then ya me so make us as to how to help you. And I'm just also mommy when you bomb pa your mommy pa 60-40 you. Me hit ya na me ma 40%. And I'm say oh you be share also we are sure I'm say you be share. It's a woman no from mommy na ma dey no guso na me guso. When one day me minister say one of our programs so tell am say onko ti get ni pa say pa na me ti be aka Obejai papa kono grandma ne yere adasa na kuma beto ne yem. Ti mi jira we dey dey wonko kaka che na me say mama sorry. Na me abie mani o say say anya say asofo e aza bedu baby also use wisdom. O say mommy say na me say me we no anya accident. O say hey mama we do mama me ma she na me say how connection there da no ne be kai no. Ne yere no wo so akoba bi to ahu ya na mo na person to me kai o say mama e me jai.
Oh, etiefo mutie ya na wo share ya Adam Fufa na mo share ya comment Doris say God bless you and Emmanuel Jemfi the damasise ma ye ma joining ye fe royal diadems and I did enkomo ya ba Paris so ma ba Paris aye board chairman be ma bi share ono so ba one na yiri betimi aba and I say betimi encouraging youth and men na omo so wo komu ha ensanum ni sa nneoma no wo mani so betimi so nya edo ama those things say ye be ya eja ye so
Saturday de very worrisome pa afa young boys no I was bebre honum kra o Ghana no mu nim nsa no but e be draw bridge the coins in a tonsa you know so you could coins bi akra no whenever careful show no ya de otimitobi bi a be 3-4 bi timitono spirit bi no de akwo no na aze no no Adam Africa no nya me fufu bi ane no ano no but ni nyina no ye ade bi elidi nipa ko sayem emwa ade a ekoso a enwanwa mfanze ehu enti no wede bia empa e bone se nka asofofo particular okrum ye betimi ayere ye ho na yetimi a change dodo na okay say yeguso ye say we dey unim emrantie no ne maba wa no obi a unim no bia na say obi ote yanka bia no we dey bra program no say wa makra na untimi ma program ni bia number na ye dey atudwa no
ye dey beto screen
we dey free na ye nkyere we bia wona bra
okay
sikaje bi anim oba through counseling na ne mpa ibo no se nyame be ma ne nsa so ade bi ho no ni pe ya na ayeze unhunu ya na ze unni ba bi ade woko but se obi ene wo tena se na se obi eniema bi so ani kire wo kakra etimi sisa se nyame be ma bibia be sisa enti no obi amra sramo gas ne tituru mumra na nyame ewa adepa bia wo bia mu mumra na mumetie nyamesem paibo afutuo ema panifo bedre ohonom a resource women na ombeba ombekasa ombetufu omba kremu ebi adi be 70 years 60 years omba e no mususa enema akosu kremu so do obi wa ya be wo ne ha that's na me catch madam for be say me ba hanche but aduma me ya no me hu se obi aya wo ne ha so ye bia na me ya pa
abo
me ya pa nini aba because me ba ya me nyina wie ma come school nyina o Ghana na mba e enti no kasa no kura bi ti me ene ba bebra bi ti me mi fie susu kwa animu matra 35 for me na 40 enti ne ma bebre me hwa unse abiti me kakra but ya be wo ha o ko school ara na anyere wo ko school do brofo no tora bi o mo yera sis kakra but esa o mo ani adin edi se mi metia me ba ya na manyina ya ngoma ha no se ye me fanze me na agina wo zo e wo ha ye me na aja ya na me ya me ya ba because when tie futuo esa o yere wo ko school what as here na wo ko anim na me ba honom ebe pa adwuma na ebe tie futuo na ebe pa kwankyere ebe aye lawyer o ye doctor o ye sei wo ko anim because adentina o classmate no mu ye wo de sei mo ya brofo no anara so ko manim na wo Ghana ni tuntum de oda so wofo na fe so formation aye ba aye no zu go ye bi ada ze men kan wo bi no as de vet ese unya afutuo nyema bi man guide wo na tibiko dimisha obi a boys na ntu o mu fo ye ze any girls no ntu o mu fo ye ze o mu nyiro mo pa no mu enkoso ensua de enko mo nim because mo de manya na easy ya school fees kra na ho odin others here enti no wo so ye be wo ha ya na problem ni so say ya ya ba no because ya be ye na fofo oje ye maame mo oje ye papa mo oje ye nua mo efiefo be sumo no so na asa oso ye wo ha no ma afra wo ma ne okura bebrete dem free enti no wonse ode nsasa ne abrabo bi ne epie no didi boys achi na tekam kungungu yes ni nyina wo wonse unyini na abrabo no aten ne abeho na wo beble mu maame no papa enti we ne ye afutu ade a aba e pese awofo no kwa eba omtimi nya bidiko kasa kire omuma ade titi omuma e wo nyame mu go bebre wo hanoma omba asore bo muma ma asore enkura na ya wo mu krom ha no omuma ma ko asore Sunday but enkura no ema ubuse omu a omu pese ombeba o ombese ombeko Ghana fu no pese omko ahemfo sabi ayifo mu ombeko ade chini a kire no joto no ensanom krono ketenkete sa enti no yesre siya maame mo no omumra na omuba ode oba no be makra fa ne bra oba ye no nyina betenase se ye ga se fa ne bra enya asori oba wa asori a woko no ye ne be kasa onko so continue onko ye be frɛ osofo ye benya wa kola bi sei enti esro ya mo ni nko no homa ye anya sase ze he enti no ni nyina ya ade a epese eboa he bet yes oba se bibia ni kitchen na so oba si kitchen a me mi hunu but oba wura ho 2 minutes oni bibia enti e ma de bibia no ho no ma e ma ntimi nye okay wa betima dada se body na be fie ba ye nya botre na me enti no e ma no ntimi eso program no musua no mu ko mani mu se ma onya me so ko ani mu ma bibia ko ani mu sa no se e ma ifie ye boko nkola no nsere obetu be yom tini nyina ye paka mjiri se obi biara obeba bi no oji tuma o anunu woni bejebo
we da masipa mama waka bebre na mama we dey maybe say me so makoye akwa oba why mother why counselor you are everything. I have say a lot of youth a lot of problems. And especially what can call mommy or the way of it see our befa assembly. Just say, that's a you crowd over there. It's a lot of problems. It's as a counselor when a chance we are what baby. Then now with me. I can't show mom being a you go bit me a bang. At least want to me calling my mom bang as counselor about Paris and I said, me about program maybe be train or go through a pen be more bit me if you free no can't show.
So now I was about to even say this. The woman say you're bored no. Almost all of them are men of God. Obia or can Obia almost 95%. Men of God. Okay. Obia the ministry biamo.
Wow.
And apart from the association aspect, no spiritual aspect, no so very good. And I board no so mostly no so mema. And yes, our man paying for so. And say bema sembema eko mema ni ho as even men of God. And the man paying for no so issues no pertaining the youth and all these things you're talking about goes to the women. That is the old women. And we have every aspect of ministry and human life available in Royal Diadems. And as a founder, that mission a bro so a for member and as I call a man penny for. And situation be a won't be an embryo so good. Apart from God being the head, and the final, Bibia will be an would say men ferry. I think we also have a suggestion boxer. Your truck problems say too. So also say Abia the youth aspect, you will only leaders and you share arranging. I share a groupie
by ages. Okay. See
a woman creating a program so for the youth based on the age and the time, and then the program so for the old. And then for the very, very old, I don't know how to. The youth to go for Sada. So for youth, there is a middle age. And Sada
young adults. We have
young adults, and then the adults, and then the old.
Exactly.
See, we have all kinds of, and we make sure that your relationship, your friendship aspect is very great. We make sure that we pair the according to our ages. From 50 to 70, apart from the Yeshia say sorry and seminar no. We make sure we build friendship in Royal Diet. Last will be making comments this on there on Ghana for and Royal Diadems. Because or apart from the Christian background though, the lifestyle to see you too.
Okay.
It is so then you don't even make friends outside the association or the church. And when you come back, because if you are suffer no, will be on point. But who pian the say Royal Diadems because the association ain't sorry no. Or feel free. I want the jeans, I want the crazy hairstyle, me want the BB, but then it's Christian based. And yes, you have to be modify to the church.
Okay, we maybe a question so what about the language? Because a lot of the Nkrana woman who are on Shedante and a lot of them speak English. So do you mix it with French?
We mix it with French, we mix all cultures. Translation. Apart from that, we have the educated, the illiterate, the semi-illiterate, all kinds of people in it's very broad.
Okay.
Obia at least ubes you too, baby.
Okay. Oh, maybe that was it. Royal Diadems International and a church Reverend Efia J. Mensah and the boss chairman so and the president Fosia such a chain that's why I joined here. Maybe I chose our question. Oh, I simply busa, oh, be busa. Number no, yeah, the better screen or so. Ubet me a fret. ama wo mo ye 0658905605 I will fra de wo here bia ombe ansa na wo so I dey wetimi enya wanu yi program ever so on the 6th, on the 7th, on the 8th. Yeah, do one come bebre. It will be bia uti ye and I will share ye. We had a woko program so near ye kind na e was meet me enya. Wait be a final words. Boss, Mr. Tefu, so what Simbia, Obeka show, be able to talk and the Bibia, yet me so a person won't come up, Obon to talk and edge. Yeah, sorry, so you are Yabama.
Yo, ni aba me da ase. Say asabre de ni nyina na yaka na bibiri na yaka. Enti no yampa ebo ni say ne ya distre ni say onyame enhwe obi bia so kan obi bia akoma. Na programming obi obeti bia frɛ wadamfo unua oba obema o problem bi wo de frɛ no na momra. Nye na ebe so mo problem ni nse nyame wo ba nyame e de ne nsa be ka ho bibie ne wa nyame ntimi nye obi ono ma ne ma aye wayward ye wo mu wa ha enkora no kra ntifi aye de dandwen ohu de onye wo de bra e wo kwan ya betimi no makasa nyame nti enim se omu nyina ebe yi ombeti o etino ye kekra ka ne so obi amra enyi hu mfrim when to me my free number no. Okay. Yeah, the days are apart from program yeah lunch we are days are umbishia ni nyina so yeah the ebe tudwa. Ana has you better abaha. You better abaha no be program because mo warm reception amodama yeah very great. Oh yeah. We could have very beautiful machines in any one. Nyamishira mo. Nyamishira director or boss. So nyamishira no pa. In say wakon koden enye easy pull him down bebe but nyame ka so ya o man nsa so bi ntimi infanto amen ye da masi me da me so for minua me bibia pastor Prince Reggie me da na se nyame hira no ne na yire me ma me Doris me so for Daniel pastor Daniel so nyame hira no me so for ma me Ekuba so nyame hira no nyame hira part was ni bibia Munchaga I pay for obi a French ni afane bra Togo ni fane bra ye kaka se bia good ye beka twi ye beka French ye ka iwe ye beka nkran ye beka se bia yete okay aha ndiza wonti je se twi ye kai wonti nti wo ma no ye camera fo brofo ye no beka ye mbebre ni mpanifo bebre we akosu ye wo ai ye president obawa no French is mama Doris wo nyina ati French the French fo bebre wo mutino manye language nya barrier ma language bia we wote apart from French no bana so ka e benye obi a no beka obe express ho into details ama ye hu problem na omoa enti obi a tu esafro obi a
ye da se pan boss chairman Ni nyame aye abuye nyina ye nti ase so e ya de papa na ba Paris ha ai ya wo ha say your Royal Dynamics for omo akasa wo program eba so meko founder as reverend so now also the final words am I
there so senia me so senia your friend say your papa kan no ye beda mo ase mo ya de e bia me ka say enye easy say Ghana na radio station be hosting say aka beti abebre pa but senia mo bie mo nsema ma ya ma accept you. God bless you so much. And the only thing I would like to say is that I'm a prophetess apart from everything being a woman, a reverend minister. And so the prophetic grace is also much. And you know, if you feel you have an issue or a problem and you feel shy, because one thing I have noticed about the ministry outside Africa is that sometimes most people are shy, you saying their issues in public for the other to hear. But I believe even if that is your situation, come and see me behind closed doors. I mean, we can talk. I do counseling from Monday to Sunday, and I'll be here till November.
Oh wow.
Yes, I'm staying for some time.
That's good.
And whatever you're going through as a woman, as an individual, just feel free to follow me. I'm very ready to do that. Even with our churches, if you feel you have some place or some time that you can make for me to minister in your church, it's my arms are open.
Okay. Wow, Reverend Akasa. Okay, bibi o say wo atade dada, enya dada nko a, wo ade a won hye, bibi bia na no say no yem fresh number we.
The same number na so frɛ ya ye beje, ya ready say ye this animal ni na so be ko Ghana Africa.
Okay. Yeah, that's very good. Very good.
We be my sika pa, we are very very ready.
Wow. Royal Dianems International. You're the president who di kan kasa na you're the number no ebe to dra into what we say wo problem bia na wo question na bibia wo first number na 0658905605 ye wie so a ye de beto screen so na obi bia ehu omo program a so on the 6th, on the 7th and on the 8th I will labrish me na ye bo mu jana nti we dey ye chakra no ye interview no be dey ebesi ase say ye bibia ni ye da wasifa so ye da wasise ja mo choose program yi a mo ba so na me so yes ye nya grace ni bi e wa so we have been blessed to have you very wonderful man here on our mix so yes so ye da asipa and see sorry sway get the new way sorry so yeah that for ni na say obi biara wunya amre ehwe yen ko Facebook a be connect video no da so da ho nti bibi bia wanti ase no ko kwa share no live Facebook a be connect da ho no wa de akokwa ko hwe bibia me director say down for part crew ni na me do bibia so ochna reta and then anakwa me e wa ha say and Jack say come bibia no we now good evening and good night we now back comfort and it was still bye bye.